Every night after 60, this happens while you sleep. Unless you eat the right foods. If you're over 60, every night you go to bed without eating the right foods, your muscles are quietly wasting away. Studies show seniors lose up to 8% of muscle per decade, and most of that loss. It happens while you sleep. The Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirms this. Aging adults suffer the steepest muscle loss overnight. But here's the shocking part. After just one night, your muscle mass could already be down by 0.2% if you don't act. The good news? You can fight back tonight. In this video, we reveal the 8 most powerful foods to eat before bed, ranked from least to most effective. Stick around for number 1. A 2024 study found it boosted overnight muscle protein synthesis by 22% without a single workout. And the wildest part? 99% of seniors don't even know it exists. But before we dive in, drop your age in the comments. Let's see how many of us are still fighting to stay strong. Let's begin. 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese might not sound exciting, but it's a muscle-saving miracle for seniors. It's packed with casein protein, which digests slowly over 6 to 8 hours. Perfect for protecting muscle during sleep. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed a 31% boost in overnight muscle synthesis in older adults who consumed casein before bed. Best time to eat it: 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Start with half a cup of plain, low-fat cottage cheese. Add banana slices or cinnamon for taste. The potassium and tryptophan may even help you sleep better. 7. Hard-boiled eggs. Each egg gives you 6 grams of complete protein and is rich in leucine, a key amino acid that triggers muscle growth. A 2021 nutrient study found that seniors who ate eggs before bed preserved 19% more muscle over 12 weeks. Eat 1 to 2 eggs about 30 minutes before bed. Want extra power? Sprinkle turmeric and black pepper to reduce inflammation and boost absorption. They're easy, clean, and incredibly efficient, especially if you don't want a full meal late at night. That's a 6. Tuna in olive oil. Tuna is lean, protein-rich, and packed with omega-3s, perfect for reducing inflammation and fueling muscle recovery overnight. But here's the secret: tuna in olive oil, not water. The healthy fats slow digestion, allowing your body to absorb amino acids gradually. A 2020 study showed a 34% increase in muscle protein synthesis overnight when seniors added omega-3s to their evening meals. Scoop out half a can, pair it with whole grain crackers or cucumber slices, and skip the mayo. You'll wake up stronger and less sore. Tarka 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a triple threat. It delivers slow-digesting casein, gut-friendly probiotics, and bone-strengthening calcium. In a Frontiers in Nutrition study, older adults who ate high-protein Greek yogurt before bed saw a 26% increase in muscle repair and better energy the next day. Eat half a cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Mix in a dash of cinnamon, berries, or chia seeds to enhance the benefits. Number 4. Warm milk with turmeric. This isn't just a bedtime tradition, it's a science-backed muscle protector. Milk gives you casein, calcium, and tryptophan for deeper sleep and better muscle recovery. Turmeric adds curcumin, which fights inflammation and supports joints. A 2022 study found a 32% boost in muscle synthesis when seniors drank protein-rich milk before bed. Those who added turmeric experienced less stiffness and soreness the next morning. Warm a cup of milk, add a quarter teaspoon turmeric and a pinch of black pepper, and sip slowly. Use fortified plant-based milk if you're lactose intolerant. 3. Almond butter. Almond butter may seem like a simple snack, but it's actually a powerful nighttime fuel for seniors looking to protect muscle and sleep better. What makes it special? It's packed with healthy fats, plant-based protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. A rare combination that supports overnight muscle repair and deeper, more restful sleep. When you sleep, your body still needs steady energy to rebuild. Almond butter delivers that energy without the sugar spikes or crashes that can disrupt your rest. In a 2020 study published in Nutrients, seniors who ate a small serving of almond-based fats before bed saw a 17% improvement in nitrogen retention, a key marker of muscle preservation. The same study showed reduced levels of cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle tissue during the night. That means almond butter doesn't just feed your muscles, it protects them. To get the benefits, all you need is 1 tablespoon about 30 minutes before bed. You can spread it on a slice of whole grain toast for extra fiber or enjoy it plain if you're watching carbs. Look for natural almond butter with no added sugar or hydrogenated oils. The good stuff should stick to the spoon, not pour out like syrup. It's also ideal for seniors who wake up hungry in the night. Thanks to its fat and protein content, almond butter helps keep your blood sugar stable from bedtime to breakfast. It may not be flashy, but for anyone over 60 trying to hold on to strength, this creamy spread could quietly outperform half the supplements on the shelf. 2. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice isn't just a trendy drink. It's one of the most effective natural tools for seniors to reduce soreness, improve sleep, and protect muscle overnight. What makes tart cherries so powerful is their high level of anthocyanins, plant compounds that fight inflammation and oxidative stress, two of the biggest threats to aging muscles. As we get older, our bodies struggle to clear out daily cellular damage. If that damage lingers, your muscles don't fully recover. That's where tart cherry juice comes in. A 2019 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that adults over 50 who drank tart cherry juice before bed experienced 33% less muscle soreness and a 15% boost in sleep quality, thanks to both the antioxidants and natural melatonin found in tart cherries. Melatonin helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And deeper sleep means more growth hormone release and better muscle recovery. To get the full benefit, drink 4 to 6 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Make sure it's labeled 100% tart cherry, not sweet cherry or blends with added sugar. If the taste is too sour, dilute it with a little water or add lemon to enhance flavor. A small amount is all it takes, don't overdo it. Bonus, it also helps with joint pain and arthritis, especially helpful if you're losing muscle around stiff or sore joints. If you're waking up tired, stiff or sore, even after 8 hours in bed, this might be the missing piece. It's rare to find a natural food that helps you sleep deeper, recover faster, and build muscle all in one glass. But tart cherry juice does exactly that. Quack 1. Whey protein shake. When it comes to fighting muscle loss after 60, nothing is more powerful than a high-quality whey protein shake before bed. Whey protein is rich in leucine, the most important amino acid for triggering muscle growth. And unlike other proteins, whey is fast-absorbing, making it perfect for seniors who need quick support before overnight fasting begins. Here's why it matters. As you age, your body becomes resistant to small amounts of protein, a condition called anabolic resistance. You don't just need protein, you need enough of the right kind to stimulate muscle building. Whey protein overcomes that resistance. A 2021 clinical trial in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults over 65 who drank a 40-gram whey protein shake before bed had a 22% increase in overnight muscle synthesis, along with improvements in strength, balance, and overall mobility. They also had lower levels of muscle breakdown, meaning they were waking up stronger, not weaker. To do it right, mix 1 scoop of whey protein isolate with water or unsweetened almond milk about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Avoid sugary mass gainers or blends with artificial additives. They spike blood sugar and disturb sleep. Want to make it richer? Add half a banana or a spoonful of almond butter. Just keep it light, clean, and digestible. Whey protein also helps release IGF-1 and growth hormone during deep sleep, critical for rebuilding muscle, healing tissue, and staying mobile. And unlike full meals, a protein shake is fast, easy, and gentle on the stomach, perfect even when you're not hungry. This one habit, done nightly, could be the difference between losing strength ever